Hi guys, it's Candace from Addie Lou's Boutique, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these super cute cat ears. For this project you're going to need glitter canvas, you're going to need a finished headband. If you don't have a finished headband that you bought from the store or whatever, you can use a plastic headband and finish it off with 3/8 grosgrain ribbon. And if you're going to go that route, I could show you how to wrap the headband with the ribbon as well. You're going to need fabric scissors, a pen, and a glue gun. So if you are going to finish off your own plastic headband, take your 3/8 grosgrain ribbon and heat seal the edge so it doesn't fray. And you're going to take your glue gun and dab glue on one of the ends of your headband. Take your ribbon and press it onto the end like this. Then you're just going to wrap that ribbon around the headband as tightly as you can. Take care to not get gaps in between when you're wrapping. So what I do is I kind of overlap the ribbon as I'm wrapping. And then I also dab glue on the headband as I go, just to make sure it's staying secure to that headband. When you finish wrapping your headband, make sure to heat seal the other end as well. Once you're done with your headband, you can start on your cat ears. Take your glitter canvas, flip it upside down, and use the back side to trace out the shape of your first ear. The top is going to be the front side of the ear. The midsection that is more narrow is going to be the part that wraps underneath the headband, and then the bottom is going to be the back side of the ear. So the length of your narrow piece between the front and the back of the ears is going to depend on the width of your headband. Once your first ear is traced and cut out, you can use that as a pattern for the other ear on your headband. Or in my case, I made 2 headbands, so I use that as a pattern for all 4 ears. Once your cat ears are cut out, grab one of them and apply a strip of glue to the midsection between the front and the back. And that is what you're going to use to secure underneath your headband. I like to space my ears around 1.5 to 2 inches apart. And just go ahead and press that part onto the bottom side of your headband. Then apply glue to the inner edge of one of the ears, and then press together. Make sure your edges are aligned, and then repeat the process for the other ear. Super cute and super easy to make. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.